Welcome back to the Paraplegic Gardener. Today is lovely weather. We can do a bit more of this. So I've already started off some chilies in the seed things, which is in another video. I'm now going to pot on some chilies that we've got grown in the propagator. They've got quite large, so I'm going to separate them, put them in their separate pots and try and harden them off somewhere else in the house under another light. So that's what we're going to be doing now. These are habanero reds. They've got 3 sets of leaves on now. So I'm going to transfer that into a single pot. Just hoping that I can get them out of this one without damaging the roots too much. Look at that.
So my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it, hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to grow, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go.
I am actually planting these ones a little bit deeper. Thank you. Alright, make sure I get these labelled up. I'll give them a bit of a watering in. Now these ones we're not going to put back in the propagator. We're going to set a light up in the dining room, and I'm assuming that they don't need quite so much heat now they've germinated, but we'll keep an eye on them and see how they develop. We'll have the light over the top. So that's our habanero reds. It's that nice out here today. I'm having my dinner outside. Lunch, I should say. Salad. Leftover stuffing. What a combination. And, of course, chili pickle. So I've knocked up my lunch outside. Lettuce, tomato, olives, stuffing from yesterday's roast, and chili pickle. Have a look at this. It's the lunch of champions. Right, I'm going to tuck in now. I think I overdid it with a chili pickle. That is burning. My eyes are running. I don't know if my eyes are running because it's so bright out here, but flipping heck. So it's dried out enough for Tina to attempt the first grass cut of the year. Normally I would have had the mower all serviced up, blades sharpened and everything. I haven't done that, but luckily I haven't, because we've got a lot of molehills at the minute. Obviously Tina's tread the molehills down, but it still gets a lot of stones and stuff. So once she's done the first cut, then I'll get the mower in and give it a good old service and sharpen up. So we'll catch up with Tina and see if she can start this lawnmower. So I left Tina to her own devices. She's quite happy pushing the mower about. Feel a bit useless not being able to get up and do it, but there you go. We will get there in the end. So I shall find something else to do now. I'm not quite sure what, but I'm going to have a look. So I've decided, got the strimmer out. I'm going to do a bit of strimming where Tina can't get with the lawnmower. Help her out a little bit. I don't know how this is going to pan out, but let's have a go. So that's it for today. The breeze is just starting to pick up. I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone. It's still quite sunny out, but it's very nice. Just done a little bit of strimming. Tina's just going to finish off with the grass now. And yeah, it's just a general tidy up really, because we've forecast some rain and a bit nasty weather later on in the week. Later on in the week we've got visitors coming to stay, so that'll be this little job done. So what with that and sorting out some chilli plants, yeah, it's a productive day. So that's it for now. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.